Hello everyone. I got this today that my dad got off on eBay today. This is my first fire pole station, and it acts a little weird. Dad took the button out and the handle won't stay latched and locked. It doesn't stay down. And in fact I don't have the key for this pole station. It also has a red back. This was my first pole station ever. New England Elevators, THESDX, Joel Spec, Fire Nut 101, and JJ Inc. 24. I got my first fire pole station. Diesel Lucy has one of those. This is my first fire pole station ever. I know how on green evacuation pole stations that are made from Simplex, like this one, most of these are red. They're extremely common. When you usually activate the alarm, the handle is latched in and the button pops out and the handle locks. It won't go back up. You need to have the key to reset it. When you open it up, it resets like that. So my dad gave me this today. Happy April 20th, everybody. And it's also spring. This is my first fire pole station. For you England Elevators, I remember you subscribed to me, and I hope you liked my elevator videos and you also have them as well. So thank you for watching my Simplex 2099 Fire T-Bar pole station. I'll get the Firelight key one day, and Dad will get the circuit board and button put back in, if I have the key to it someday. I don't have the key now. This is very interesting to film at, and I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching, and that's it. And again, it's made from Simplex. So, Simplex T-Bar pole station, Simplex 2099. Thank you for watching, and that'll be it. See ya. And by the way, this is my 140th video. Bye.